Hi guys, I'm Jimmy here. Welcome back to my Cuboid Apple Let's Play episode 12. As you can see, between episodes, I did a little bit of stuff, just a little bit, not much. I kind of tidy up my base a bit. You can't really see it here, but if you go downstairs, look, I at least make it look more neater, and I kind of, I would say, automate a bit of the stuff. I put the latex generator back here to a not so much obvious space. And then I also managed to automate all of the different metals, at least the smeltable ones. For example, like lead, and stuff. I also use the iron furnace more for all of this because they smelt a lot quicker than like the lithium and the other furnaces as well. For example, this emerald furnace smells like uh, one of these orchards per 2 seconds, which is quite quickly. Oh yeah, and I also got a netherite furnace from doing quests and stuff. Last episode there isn't any rewards, but between episodes I updated this pack to the latest version, and it gave me actual rewards. So from the rewards I managed to get this, and then I upgrade to the netherite one, and the netherite smells like very quickly, as you can see, 0.25 seconds. So yeah, and you can't really see much, but if I break this, is it this one? Oh, here. If I break this, you can see I got storage bus here. I also got a storage bus here, and also here as well. And I connect all of them to my AE system, and I just put them here, put the cable here, here, and then just cover it up, just to make it look a bit more prettier and stuff. The reason I put the storage bus there is that, for example, if I get some ingots here, and then if I right click this, it will connect all of these storage drawers via this oak tram. I kind of put them everywhere, as you can see. And the fuel source for coal, I just link them up to this. And I got quite a bit of it as well. That's how much? 683,000. Yeah, that's quite a lot. And yeah, I also compact most of this stuff, and then these I just put void upgrades in them because I don't really need a lot of them, but these I do need a lot of them. At least I got quite a bit of it now. And as you can see, now in the ME system, you can see I got a lot of resources, so I'm not worried about having not enough of them anytime soon. And the main thing is that it doesn't eat up any of the storage space. It only eats up the channels. You can see 5 out of 8 on the top left hand corner. So yeah, that's what I've been doing between episodes. Today, or should I say last episode, I said that I would like to work on the POWAH mod. Yeah, the POWAH mod, because we need to get this Dielectric crystal, because it's one of the requirements for going to the end. And while I updated this pack to the latest version, I also realized that for the fridge and for the preservation chamber is a part of the digging up the dirt mods. And to actually start to do this mods and stuff, I need to complete getting creative and getting immersive. I already completed getting creative, but getting immersive is the immersive engineering. I haven't done any of it, so I'm just going to power through, at least power up to the garden close, and then I won't touch it for a bit. Maybe. Well, I need to automate it, like farming as well. Maybe I'll use it as well. But because of the very boring process, I at least crafted the coal oven and just put coal inside, just coal pouring in, coal pouring out, and then the creosote oil as well. Because this is a very time-consuming process, so I just made some ahead of time. As you can see, I just did a little bit, and now we got creosote. And then with that, we can make treated oak planks. I think I can just get this right. With this in the middle and planks. There we go. And then with the treated oak planks, we can make, of course, sticks, slabs, sticks, and then we can make an engineer's crafting table. Sticks, slabs, and then a crafting table. There we go. And now we'll just put it right here for now. I don't really know what's the purpose of that yet, though. And then I need to make treated oak fence iron, or I shouldn't put it back here. I make some oak fences. Is that not the recipe? Is this the recipe for it? Oh, this. Oh no, I want to get it out for the completion of the quest. And then I need iron. And then I will just need this table back and change it into an engineer's work table. There we go. Yeah, quite fine. And with that, we can like get more stuff. For example, like the engineer's wire cutter, which is a very, very simple recipe. It's just this and 2 sticks. And there we go. As you can see that now I have a lot of resources, I can like rush through them very quickly. Actually, extremely quickly. Just get a bit of everything, I guess. And nickel. Oh, I need a hammer back. Hammer back. I'll just hammer them into plates. Plates and plates. Why not? And with that, I can make wires, which is very easy. I just put it here. And there we go. Got wires. And with the wire, we need, what else? Copper, aluminium, tin, and paper. Aluminium, where is it? Sometimes it's quite a pain to find all of this stuff through here. When you have too many resources. And I need paper, that means I need sugarcane, right? Yeah. I didn't harvest my farm for not too much, so as you can see, I still got a lot of missing stuff, I guess. No, lapis. Lapis, where are thou? And then we can craft. Where's the recipe? I should have saved that here. There we go. We got the engineer's blueprint for like the circuit backplane, the iron and steel mechanical component, and the vacuum tube, which I can put it right here. As you can see, if I put the ingredients here, and then I can just pull it out from here as well. And what is the next task? Oh yeah, the vacuum tube and the iron mechanical component. This is quite easy for iron plates and the copper. For iron plates and a copper ingot. There we go. And with that, we can make this. We need glass, nickel plates, redstone, and copper wire. Glass. I don't have too much glass left. I need copper wire, glass. What again? I've forgotten. Redstone and nickel. Redstone. I'll just get as much as I can for now. That's 48 of them. And with that, we can quickly get the garden cloche. Yay. And there we go. That's what I call rushing. Absolute rushing. And the garden cloche complete. And I guess I'll just leave it in the system for now. I won't use that yet. Not yet though. Just not yet. And there we go. We can just quickly make these easily. Actually, I've used this for quite a while already. Not this one. The botany pots. Do I not have any clay? No, I do have clay, but not any of the terracotta. That's quite easy. I can just melt some here quickly. pot. Here, the flower pot, and I got the potty pot. And then with a hopper on top of it, I got the hopping bonsai plot, which is just this for my apples, which I have over 1,000 of it already, which is wonderful. And I don't really need it anyways. Oh, I need the garden close as well. Garden close. And then I got quite a bit of seeds from previous sifting, and I got a bit of it. I can't unlock it yet. Oh, I need these seeds. This is growing with... Oh, okay. In that case, I will do that a bit later, maybe off camera for stuff, because at least I would like to start going with the chapter. But of course, the main focus of today, I would like to go through the POWAH mod, at least get the basic setups for now, maybe automation later for this. So first things first, we will need this Dielectric Paste, which is made by 3 coal, 2 clay, and a lava bucket. As I think this is the most easiest way. I also got a tank of lava here. I wonder, does this count towards the recipe though? Who knows? Let's try. Put this here, and here. Oh, it doesn't count. Oh well. I'll just get some buckets then. I'll just get 16 of them for now. And there we go. Of course, I can use blade powder as well, but I don't have a lot of those stuff, so I'd rather use this. Oh, it doesn't stack. That's annoying. That's pure annoying. Oh. Then maybe using blaze powder would be a bit better. But oh well, I already made so many lava buckets. So why not? I will just use that one for now. Not that. I'll just make a bit more of this stuff because you will require a hellish amount of this stuff later on as you go deeper to the power armor pack. And there we go. Now we got 6 stacks of this stuff, the paste, and it gave me a bit more. And with that, we can dive deeper to it. We can make horizontal rods and vertical rods. And actually, you can just change them back quite easily. It's just 6 of them with 3 iron bars, which I can make a bit of it. Sorry. I'll just make a stack of them, turn it back. There we go. And with that, we can make the Dielectric Casing, which is a very, very easy recipe. It's just... hello? Here. Look. It's just these and then done. And I think I should make a few more of them. There we go. I'll just make 24 for now. And it gave us even more. With that, we can finally get to the focus of it. It's the Energizing Rod. It's it's the unique crafting mechanic in this power mod. And it's quite easy to make. There we go. And well, where should I put it? I think I will still put it under here for now because it requires power to be pumped out. So just for now, I will just put it right here. Yeah, here for now. And then to start working on this way, oh, it gave me another one. I guess I can put it in here for now. Oh yeah, also it says that in the tutorial here that you can use XNet to automate the process, but I'm really not good at XNet, so I maybe won't be using that at all. I will just use basic redstone to automate and stuff. To me, it just feels like it's a bit easier. So before we start working on it, we will need unique power cables to make this work. I guess so. We can use, because its power cables can transfer a lot more energy than the mechanism one, I think. So first things first, we'll need basic capacitors. It's just block of redstone, right? Just make a stack of it for now. And give me some more. And then we can combine them to make a large one. It's just basically just the two basic ones into a big one. There we go. And then, of course, you can make tiny one as well. It's just the basic one, and then dismantle it into smaller ones. As you can see, we have tiny, the basic one, you can say as the normal one, and then a large one. Yoo-hoo! And then with that, we can make the Energizing Rod, the most basic version of it. And oh wait, I need to save the recipe first. There we go. And with that, I wonder, can you use other types of courseworks? No, only this. Oh well. I will make at least 4 for now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I will make more of them later, but just for now I want to make 4 because using the crafting mechanic, at first it won't use up too much power to craft, but later on it will require like an immense amount of power to craft all of the other things required. So making more of these will be more worthwhile later down the line. And then I got a wrench from the power board and another one. Oh well, I didn't realize that. How do I use this? Oh, rotate config link. Okay, I'm not sure about this yet. Okay, what's the next step then? Is we can make charged snowballs. Is like a kind of weapon. Like normally, if you hold right click, you will just throw snowballs out. But if you throw a charged snowball, it will explode on impact. Yeah, but I don't really want to use it here. So first things first, we'll need to make Energized Steel, which is a very easy recipe. It's just 1 iron and 1 gold equals Energized Steel. So we'll get some iron, some gold, and we will like right click this once, right click this twice, and then you can see here at the end, you can see on the bottom, you can also see that we have a 0% and then how much power it requires as well. And then now with this, we will need some cables. I'm not sure does these work. I can try. I will just place them for here for now. And with this, I can place these here. Oh, it does work. As you can see some lines coming from here, and then it will go into here, and then it will slowly but surely start to power at this. And then when this is done, you can see it stops working, and then it will give us the things required for us. Of course, you can automate this, but you will need some redstone, and then what is it called again? Is it the repeater or the comparator? I think it's called I think I need repeaters. Right. Repeaters and at least 1 comparator. I'm guessing. I can't remember. I think that is at least what you need to do with hoppers. I'm just testing for now. I can't remember how to automate this though. Select this, and then you will need a comparator here, and then here, and here. Is it? I think so. Let's see. Put here. Oh, it's not working. I can't remember how this works. I know there's a way to automate this using like basic redstone stuff, but I really can't remember how to automate this. So I think I'll do that later, just not now. Maybe I'll do it like between episodes. I can't remember how to automate this, but there's a way to automate them, like just using basic redstone. But I just can't remember how do I do it now. Oh, you can also see the power in it as well. But with the basic one, you can only transfer a very small amount of RF, which is not good at all. So with that, we can get the basic one, which is just a block of quartz, the casing again, the original one, and the basic capacitors. Oh, I can craft it like this. Okay, I don't have too much nether quartz left. I can use the pure one. Nether quartz. Oh, oops, I used them all up. Oh well, not too much of a problem. I do have some dust like Sky-stone dust. So I don't have any of them left. Sky-stone? No, I do have some left, but not much left. I'll just keep one stack here. And just for now, I will use, can I compress this? Oh, okay, no problem. This and the wand. Just very quickly, I'll just smash some and put it in this autosave and just let it process it myself. Oops. Just very quickly. And now I also realized that I need to roll one of you guys to craft the thing. Oh, it breaks this as well. In that case, do I use this? I'm not sure how to use this. But if I can't... No, I can break this, but it's just a bit harder to break it. In that case, I will just remove all of you and just craft it to the next tier immediately. There we go, the next tier of it. And as you can see, you can continue to upgrade to the following tiers. It only requires a block, of course, the casing, and like the next tier of the capacitor, which this next tier is the hardened capacitor, which requires electrical steel, the large basic capacitor, and some pasting again. Oh, it gave me another starter one. And here it also says that automated use of the Energizer can be a bit tedious. Oh yeah, it says that you can use comparators and redstone, but better will be using the XNets, but I'm really not good at that, so maybe not now, I guess. There we go, I got some capacitors, and it gave me some as well, and then I can immediately upgrade to the next tier, if I have enough of it. No, this is the basic one. There we go, harden. As you can see, it's quite repetitive. Oh, I cannot remove all of them. I need the harder one again. Harden. And as you can see with the hardened one, it finishes very quickly. Like this, then there we go. This instance. It makes the crafting so much more simpler. Of course, there's a way to automate this, but I'll just do that between episodes. As I said quite a few times this episode already. And with that, I can make a few more of them. Well, at least one more of them. I'd like to upgrade this. Not that. What's this called again? The rod. The energizing rod. Here we go. And then, there we go. And with that, oh, give me another one. That means I don't need to craft that many of them. And the next tier is the blazing crystal, which here it says that it requires 120,000 FE per crystal. Yeah, here it says that we can use 4 blaze powder or a blaze rod. It just costs a little less, but we won't use blaze rod at all because we still can't go to the nether yet, even though I got a few from like casting the blazing blood, but I'm not going to do that yet. Blazing, yeah, I think it's good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you can see that it runs a lot more quickly now. I can put the harder one here as well, why not? And later on, oh yeah, it uses up a lot of the power. Even though there's a buffer of like 1,000,000 RF per this power generator, but we need a better source of power soon. Very soon, actually. And actually there's a power source in this power board as well, as you can tell for the powerful things. What is it called again? Is it called the generator? Here, it's called the reactor. This is the one that can produce the most amount of power. And as you can see, the more higher tiers that you can extract more power from it, and it can also generate more power from it. So for now, maybe we will start making this. Yeah, I think we will start to making the Naotic one. Can we make the Spirited one? Let me see. Can we make this? We can make this. I got like tons of diamonds and emeralds, so at least for now, we will just burst our way through this Naotic one and then blazing one. Just 4 of them, easy, very easy. There we go. Blazing I always say blazing comparator, but it's blazing capacitor. My fault. And yeah, we'll just continue to upgrade it. I'll just get one of these. We only need one of these for the upgrade. Yeah, and then we got the blazing one. And yeah, it gave us a blazing one, and then we can make the Naotic crystal, which is very, very easy. It's just a diamond with 300,000 RF. Yeah, that is a lot. Diamond. You go. And a few more of them. Oh, it does. And also you can see it's quite pretty. This is purple, and then the blazing one is it orange, I guess? I think it's kind of orange. And then there we go, it's done. Wow, that's a lot of things completed. And we can continue going. Of course, there's like the final tier is the Naotic tier, but it requires 16 nitro. I mean, it requires the recipe required for it is 1 nether star, 2 blocks of redstone, a block of blazing crystal, which is like quite cheap, but it requires 20 million RF. Goodness almighty. I have like a power cell back here, which you can't see at all. And the capacity of this is only around 100 million RF. So it will only take like 5 creation of that to immediately set up all the power. And it takes a while to refill up the power source back there as well. As you can see, like most of this is running quite strongly. So we won't go to this tier yet because we don't have a way to make the nether to get the nether star unless we explore the nether. And yeah, this is for very, very end stage. So at least we would like to get to the spirit crystal because we can get a lot more powerful then. So for that to happen, we will need to get the Naotic capacitor. Not that. Here we go. The Naotic capacitor. with some rewards, and the Dielectric Energizer, which I can just borrow one of the blazing ones here, not the cable. Come back here. Cable done, and with that done and done, we got the Dielectric one. And with the Dielectric one, we can get the Spirited one, which is just emerald in the thing. And as I said, this takes an immense amount of power. Such a ridiculous. Even the buffer for this is 1.5 million. Yeah. And because of the producing of power is just not enough to keep up with this, it's a bit slower than expected, but it's still quick enough to produce one of the spirited crystal. And there we go. And then I can finally do this, the all powerful. I can like have this a lot of different energy generators. There's like the furnator, which is just a furnace, runs runnable material. The magmator that consumes lava to make power, but it's very little. Of course, there's the higher tier that produce like 4,000, but I prefer the reactor because like for the starter one, we can only produce like 100 arithmetic, but on the later versions, I won't use now. Like for the spirited one, I can produce like 3,800. And to run this reactor, I will be using where is it? It requires this uranite, which I'm producing quite a lot of. You use this to power it and with a cooling source, and then yeah, that's how you do it. And why not? Oh wait, here, not that, this one, and here, there we go. Because I have the resources, so why not just upgrade it for now? It's just that the next tier of it will take a very long time before it will come here. And there we go. It has a buffer of 4 million. Holy moly, I really do need a better power source there. So I think next episode, or between episodes, maybe I will at least start on building the reactors, at least the spirited one, or maybe I can craft it now, right? I think I have the resource for that. I'll just put everything away. Do I have the resources for that? Yeah, I do. That is simple. I just need this, and there we go. I got the reactor, and oh yeah, it also shows you that how many blocks you need. It says not enough blocks, you need 32 more, which is easy. What am I missing? The capacitor. Oh, I need a lot more emerald. In that case, yeah, I think I will do that next episode. But yeah, when I have enough like of the reactor blocks, and if I right-click this, it will automatically build the whole structure. But I need to think, where should I put it? Maybe I'll just put it behind this wall again, just to make it like more compact and stuff. But yeah, that is like what's the power mod about, using the Energizing Rod to get the resources required for us, and then using the resources to craft like more of the what's this called again? The Energizing Rod, and then using all the power of it, and to make the reactor is like the strongest power source I think in this war pack. And then it's just rinse and repeat, and it will be a power source that we will keep on using like maybe until very late game, and we won't really need to change it anymore. Yeah, and so for now, thank you for watching my episode, and goodbye. Bye.